a good week. Today we're doing pick blocking 102. So this is going to be a right hand exercise, and we're doing the first half of a minor scale. So do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. All right. So let's start off. Let's get rid of the bar to start. So we're going to have our A pedal down the whole time. So that we're doing the A pedal minor, right? Okay. So just to start, let's go over just the scale first. So it'll be 5th string, then 2nd string, then 4, then 1, then 3, and then right back down. 1, 4, 2, 5. Okay? So that's the pattern we're going to be following, up and down. Okay, so now let's get into the right hand aspect of it. We're going to start with thumb on 5 and middle on 2. Alright, so we're going to pick with thumb, and index is just kind of hanging out right now. You can set it down on 4, or just have it kind of floating. Okay, so from there, we're going to pick 2. And when we do that, we're going to bring thumb down on 4 to prepare it to pick 4. Okay, so when we set the thumb down on 4, it's going to block string 5 from the back of the thumb. So that makes string 5 stop ringing. Alright, so now 2 is ringing, 4 is ready to rock and roll. Okay, so when you're learning this, I really encourage you to take it nice and slow. Learn those pick blocks. Get that kind of back and forth rocking motion with P and M, right? Because it's almost like when one is picking, the other is setting up, right? And this will translate to a whole bunch of stuff. Think of like, the pedals down scale. It's that exact same thing of walking up and down with P and M and using I to block on the way. So let me know what you think, and we will check out some other pick. Oh, we've got a speed picking thing up next. It's going to be a lot of fun. See you then.